Thank you so much for tuning in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. Today in this video we'll do the hood emblem install on the Outlander PHEV. When it comes to PHEV, we have two option choices. We can either go with this blue PHEV theme with a chrome outline, or we can just do one of the regular hood emblems. Now in this case, because there's a lot more stuff we're gonna do with this new sales demo, this one has Mr. Mitz plates already, we decided to go with chrome hood emblems. So now obviously any of these hood emblems you can put on both gas version or PHEV. Makes no difference. It's exactly the same vehicle, exactly the same hood. You can head to mrmitsubishi.ca. That's my accessory store. You can place your accessory order there. The website is also linked in video description, so if you check the description you'll be able to click and go to that website. So let's check out how it looks. So this one here is chrome, and we'll proceed to install. Very easy to install, especially if you watch this video a few times. Let's check it out how it's done. Okay, so we can see that we have very easy to set up material here. So this foam kind of thing. So we just clip it like a piece of puzzle together like this. So, and now only thing we need to do, we need to put it in a proper placement, and we have a lot of help there, and we need masking tape just so we know that we have positioned everything correctly. And then we can do the thing. Okay, now that we have masking tape prepped, we just literally find the best spot for it. And this one rests against this Mitsubishi logo right here. And only thing we need to do, just make sure that it's in a line with the hood. So this one here, we're gonna put in place first. There we go, like this. And the other one like this. And now on the other ones, we just need to make sure it follows this hood line right here, so they're straight the same way. Okay, done. And now the last part is going to be this one here, and same thing. Only thing we need to do, make sure it aligns with the hood line. There we go. Whenever you do these accessory installs for the first time, just make sure you don't rush. I've done it many times, so it's much faster for me. But if you do it for the first time, just take your time. Once you lined up everything, step back a little bit, make sure it's exactly placed the way you want it, because you know, once you stick it on, it's on, so then it's going to be hard to remove it, and you need to buy another hood emblem to replace the damaged one. So once we've done this, it's very simple. We flip it over. We remove this tape here, and these letters now are very sticky. So now is where you have to be very careful, do it very slowly, place it exactly where you want to be back. I always press it a little bit, and then once everything is done, then we're going to go a little bit harder. Okay, now the middle part, we can remove this out. Same thing, flip it over like this. Remove the tape, flip it over, make sure it's in the right place. Done. Press it a little bit, and now the last piece. Flip it over. There we go. Okay. Now we press a little bit harder, but not too hard. We don't want to, like, you know, press in the hood. So we just apply some pressure, and over a few days it'll harden up, and then you can go through the car washes with no problem. Just give it a few days to harden up, and then you're good to go. You can proceed with all your normal activities. Now, one thing to keep in mind, it's summertime right now, so we want to make sure you don't do this in direct sunlight where the metal is very hot. Just do it, you know, in the shade, maybe in the morning or late in the evening when it's the vehicle's cooled off, or in your garage, underground parking. Find a good spot without direct sunlight, and when the metal is not too hot. So, okay, we're done with that. Now let's flip it over like this. Remove the tape. Look how nice and shiny it looks. I love it. Remove the tape. Remove this part, template part. And there we go. Now the final stage is just to step back and enjoy the end result. And like I said, we have two ways we can go about it. Either we can go this chrome right here, or we have these Outlander hood emblems that are going to look a little bit different. Either option is fine. Because we'll be adding some more chrome elements on this vehicle, we decided to go with Outlander hood emblem. And this is how it looks. So very, very easy to install. If you don't have something like that on your Outlander, just head to mrmitsubishi.ca, place your order. It's free shipping to Australia, New Zealand, US, basically everywhere. So Canada, of course, free shipping as well. So thank you so much for checking out this quick and easy do-it-yourself install on the hood emblem, and see you in next videos.